Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to add links to your website at connect.dataczar.com. So first of all, go to dataczar.com and get logged in. We're already logged in. I'll just click on that. So I'll get rid of that. We'll go full screen. So when you log in, it takes you to dashboard on the main menu. And to add the links to your website, you're going to click on the website button here. This is the website builder. You can add a link to a post the same way that you do a page. We're going to be working with pages today, but just keep in mind that the editing tools for adding a link on post are identical. So we're going to add it to pages and also to the top menu. Let's look at our AAA outdoor scenes. Let me tab over there. So we're going to add it up here in the menu, and then down here we're going to add it here. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect, and the first thing we do is we're going to click on Pages. So we went to the website button, we click on Pages, and we're going to edit our home index page. That's where we're going to add the link. So we're going to add a website link. And what you do is you scroll down to the editing box. Here's the editing toolbar. Here's the editing box. We're going to add it right here. We're going to put Visit Bungie America. Click here. So you get your words in there, and then you highlight your words, and then you go to the link. So highlight the words, go to the Insert Edit Link icon right here, click on that, and then I already have the URL pasted in the clipboard, so I'm going to paste it in, and there it is. Make sure it has the HTTPS, the whole link. And then we're going to do it in a new window. So it's going to take us away from the website to the other website. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. And then whenever you make an adjustment, you always click Update. And that's how you add it to a page. Now also, let's go back to Pages right here. And this time we're going to add it to as a link to the top menu. So right here where it says Create Blank Page, there's a drop down. You're going to click that drop down. And you're going to click on Create Link in Menu. And then you're going to enter a title. For the title, we're going to do Bungee _ jumping. And then we're going to enter the link here. So I'm just going to paste it in. It's still in my clipboard. So there's the link to the Bungee America. And we're going to click Create. And now we added it to our home page, and we also added it to our top menu. So let's go back to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. And it's refreshing. Oh, the bungee jumping is down here under More. We have a lot of different pages. What we could do, just real quick, go back over to Pages. You can adjust your pages. We can just slide it up with this arrow. We're going to put it right here, maybe after Picture Gallery. So let's go ahead and move it. Let's go back over and let's refresh one more time. And there it is. So it's bungee jumping's right there. And then if you scroll down, Visit Bungee America, click here. So let's go ahead and click on the link. And it works. It takes us over. So let's tab back over. And up here too, we click on the link. And it works. And let's tab back over. So we're going to go back to Connect. We left on the website button here. And also be sure to go to the Help button if you have any questions. A good place to start is the featured tutorial videos. These come in really handy. And especially this first one, How to Start Building Your Website 3rd Edition. That's a great video to watch. It shows you a lot of different things. And then there's some other tutorial videos, featured tutorial videos there as well. So let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to add links to your website with Dataczar Connect.